Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta GLI manual. Go ahead, take a quick walk around. This one's finished in pure gray, which is an excellent color choice. With Titan black cloth interior, this is the 2.0S with a total price coming to $27,730. Basic Volkswagen key. Actually, I'll point this out. So you have the red contrast stitching with the gray, which is really nice. It matches this spec really well. It's actually my favorite spec we have on the lot, other than we have a red on black with black wheels Autobahn, which is really pretty. For 2019, they redid the Jetta. So 2020 maintained the same styling changes that were made in 2019. Do you have an electronic e-brake? Put your foot on the brake. Disengages just like that. since we're stuck behind a little bit of traffic, I can talk about the fact that I thought this was just going to be a Jetta version of the GTI, and in a roundabout way it is. But it's not exactly similar. It's just different enough to make it very unique. The GLI, I think it does have the same motor as the GTI, at least it feels that way to me. Gearbox, I think, is a little bit different. Similar layout, similar ratios, but I think it's just a little bit different. Of course, the whole interior layout's a little bit different. So it's definitely different compared to the GTI. But it's also just as good. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.